What's up, you guys? It's your girl back again with another review. So I got something from TikTok. I ordered some more hair from Ashine, and shout out to my girl Ronnie, because her hair was so freaking cute. Got to open it. Oh. Okay, so I got the box. You know, last time I got hair, they didn't give me a box. It was just in some bags. So my little box, and it came really quick. I'm gonna tell y'all the day that I ordered it. Okay, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what came today. Well, there was the hair, but this is a little bag. 3 bundles. I got, so the hair, Ashine's hair is like longer than what it says. So I got 8 last time when I got body wave. I got 20, 22, and 24. Ignore my dog, she just wants to come out the cage and it's like, Butters, wait. So I got curly hair, and this time I got 18, 20, 22. So this is the 20. Oh, I got 16, 18, and 20. Okay, I did not know I ordered that. I'm gonna make sure. So this is the 20 inch. Okay. So this is the 18. I mean, this is the 20. I'm tripping. This is the 20. So, all my tippy toes. This is a 20. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it because it was recommended. This is 20 inches. I'm 5 feet, keep in mind. So let me show you the 18 and the 16. So this is the 16. Still pretty long. It's still like underneath the boobage. This is a 16. Let me show you the 18. So this is the 18. I'm on my tippy toes. Let me just go back. This is the 18. There's no smell. It's soft. It's really like micro patterns. So oh, do you see? I kind of want to dye it, but it's like, if I dye it, like, I'm gonna get red hair everywhere. But yeah, let me show you guys all of them together.
Boy.